So Cameron, how are you today?
Oh, caught in 4K on the DJI, not good.
We're out here today at Mallala for the Passenger Ride Day. Each year the Circuit XL SA Club teams up with Mallala to run this event, and it's a great chance for us to bring along friends, family and sponsors, have them jump in the passenger seat and give them a real taste of just how wild it is inside of a race car. We have a pretty stacked guest list today, so it's going to be very busy.
Yeah, are you alright?
Yeah.
I'm
really scared.
How's that?
It's alright. That's alright.
It's going to be hot, isn't it? It is. I mean, imagine if it was... I'm glad it's not hot. And you're not wearing all the gear either. Well, that's right.
So Sean, how was it?
It was really good. It was it's a lot more violent than you imagine it to be.
It did look pretty bumpy.
Fun, but very bumpy, and the brakes just, you can't believe how strong the brakes are on the corners. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah. No, it's good. It's good fun. It gives you a real insight into what they do. And for I mean, that was only 4 or 5 laps, and I imagine doing that for 10, 20, whatever they do. Yeah, amazing. Good fun though.
I'm actually a bit scared now.
Good.
Woo! Thanks guys, bye.
Thank you. I'm actually probably scared now. I've done this for 3 days with you. Why am I scared now?
Ready? Ready?
Alright, let's go, baby.
So what was that about, a deal?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. And don't be fucking shy. It was good, the adrenaline was fantastic. So the gripping, moving around, well not moving around in the seat, but you're stuck to it.
Yeah. Favourite part? Favourite corner?
Straight there before that nervous section, so yeah. Well, it made your heart go like this a bit, so very first corner what we did sort of stuff, when you really got the brake and grip into it, wow, then after that you knew the preparation coming up to the brake, so.
Did you do it again?
Again and again and again.
I've been in the car for a few hours now, so I let Lachie jump in and take his friends and family out. He doesn't normally get the opportunity to do things like this because he can't get a second seat in a Formula V.
I just want to say before it gets loud, I haven't been a great friend recently.
Shut up!
Shit, mate.
As Lachie was finishing the last few laps, there is a dinner break for the marshals, which means there's a track stoppage. Mallala was great enough to then put out the carts in that time so we could keep our guests entertained. Unfortunately, my cart blew up, but everybody had a good time, which is the main thing. Back out in the race car for the evening ride session, and we've got a few more passengers to take out.
Alright, you ready?
Cameron. Does it go really hard?
No. Just say I'll scream if you want to go faster. No.
he comes, my baby boy. Damn. It's a quick vehicle. It's a quick vehicle, John.
So that wraps up our passenger day at Mallala. We had 18 guests. We did about 100 laps or more, I think. We did a few laps, went through a set of front brakes, did about 80 litres of fuel in through the car. Tyres are pretty worn after that, but what a great opportunity to be able to share what we do. It was absolutely worth every bit of our consumables. Really cool opportunity to be able to share what we do with friends, family, our sponsors who keep us doing what we're doing. Really cool to get some of them out there and get them in the car and scare them a little bit, show them what they're supporting. And our competition winners, the 4 of them that came up, they were really great. We got SB Garage, he's doing a bit of a YouTube thing. Ethan Woody came up, he's doing a video that should be popping up soon. Blake was really good, he came up and he's a flaggy, so he's never sat in a race car before, so it was a good opportunity to get him in one. So yeah, really good to be able to share an opportunity. Charles, who's normally trackside of photography, again, first time he's ever sat in a race car, so really cool to be able to share what we do with these people. This 2026 season is shaping up to be a big one. I have got the calendar out now on our website. If you just want to follow along or come say hi to us at any of the races, the dates are all there, come check them out. And before we go, check out these shirts. Pretty fancy, right? Looking good. So we got some new merch for this season, 2026. This is our team kit for this year. If we put these up on our website, would you guys be interested in picking one up? Let us know in the comments and we might just do that. Get your own little piece of Quinn racing at home. We are seriously looking forward to this 2026 season that's upcoming. I know you guys are as well. Stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.